To activate ringtone volume down via top right pointer stop in Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6, open settings, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find accessibility, and then tap accessibility, tap interaction and dexterity, and then scroll down the screen, tap auto action after pointer stops, and then on corner actions select top right, and then on ringtone volume down, touch it until blue to activate, or touch it until gray to deactivate. Okay, if you touch it until blue, you can see ringtone volume down in top right corner menu. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.